Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video tutorial, we will download and install Eclipse IDE for Java. So let's start. So first we will go to this Chrome, open it. Now here we will search for Eclipse, hit enter. Go to this first website, eclipse.org. Click on this. So now it is open and here at the top you can see a download button. So click on this. So as you can see here, the latest version of Eclipse is available here. So I'll click on this download and download this 64-bit Eclipse IDE. So it will take you to this page, and as you can see here, the download button is available here, but you can see Eclipse JRE Win 64exe. So this means you do not need to install Java. Java comes packaged together with Eclipse. So I'll click on this download. So now you can see here the download is started. If your download does not start, so you can click on this click here and it will start automatically. Now it is 158 MB, so it will take some time, so we will wait. Now the download is complete, so I'll go to this show in folder. I'll right click on this and open it. Now you can see here that Eclipse installer is open. So here you can see these different versions of Eclipse. Eclipse for Java developers, Eclipse for enterprise Java and web developers, C++ and PHP. So I'll click on this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now it will install Eclipse IDE on this path. Here Java, on this path Java will be installed and it will create a menu and a stop icon. So I'll click on this install and it will start installing Eclipse on our system. Installation will take some time, so we will wait. So now the installation is complete. So I'll launch Eclipse and I will close this and this as well. So Eclipse workspace will be created on this path. You can browse it and change it from here to some other path. I'll launch it. I'll click on this continue. So now Eclipse is starting up. So now you can see here that Eclipse is open and it has created us this first project and which have this hello world program inside this. So I'll maximize this and I'll click on this run demo and you can see here that hello world is printed in the console. So in this way you can install the latest version of Eclipse for Java on Windows 11. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment.